Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Leaf key battery. Open the key fob by finding the small slot and prying gently with a flathead screwdriver. Separate the shell halves carefully to avoid breaking plastic clips. Note the battery orientation before removal so you can match the polarity. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct side up, snap the shell back together, and test the remote buttons immediately. Start by removing the metal emergency key and checking for a hidden release screw. Use a small flathead to pry at the seam, working your way around the fob to separate the halves. Lift the old battery out with a plastic tool or fingertip, noting the plus and minus orientation. Insert the new CR2032 battery matching the original polarity, reassemble the shell, and press the remote buttons to confirm the LED and lock functions. If the remote does not respond after swapping the battery, inspect the contacts and clean them with a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. Look for corrosion or a bent contact that prevents power flow, and replace the tray if damaged. Verify the new CR2032 is seated flat and that the shell is closed firmly so contacts align. If issues persist, try a second fresh battery or consult a dealer for key reprogramming options.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.